The food we eat in SA does not come from farms owned by whites, it comes from Shoprites, Pick and Pay and SPARS. Agricultural, Forestry and Fishery Minister Senzeni Zokwana has allegedly stated that South Africa is prepared in case white farmers want to leave as they did in Zimbabwe. This is according to a report from the News Updates South Africa. The disturbing report, which states that Zokwana has said South Africa food sources isn't only from farm but also from the sea some time ago, has also come up to say this week to white farmers who threaten to flee to Australia if killing of white farmers does not end. White farmers think we depend on them for food supplies. They must wake up and smell the coffee because the food we eat in SA does not come from farms owned by whites, it comes from Shoprites, Pick and Pay and SPARS. News Updates South Africa reports. Zokwana comments.